Alright, today we are going to solve these pressure cracks. Right there. Right there. And there's some micro ones starting right there and right there. Alright, so here's the gear we got. Some safety gloves right there so you don't burn your hands. Got a heat gun. Some cloths and some soap so that we could wash off the area, make sure it's clean, and a little rotary tool just in case you need to either clean up the area or cut out some really gross stuff, whether it be an old patch or whether you just need to open up the area a bit. And we can't forget our trusty little soldering iron. Make sure you don't catch anything on fire or burn yourself with that. And we have everything attached to some power. Clean the area really nice and good. There's lots of salt water and dirt. This dish soap should remove any grease or any of that stuff. So this patch did not work very well, so got to use a rotary tool to fix that. So first off, I'm going to remove the patch that I already did, dig in a little bit, and then put in some more, weld in some more plastic. So I got a 7/64 drill bit. Got a bunch of different sizes. But let's use this one so it's it's big enough, but it's not too big where it's. Now that we got the holes drilled, let's fill them in. So I'll clean off the area and start welding. First off, get this thing all plugged in and heated up. While that's heating up, let's use the heat gun. To give the kayak a little bit more integrity in this high pressure spot, I'm gonna put some of this wire in there. So make sure it's a little bit longer and a little bit wider than the area. Alright, so now I got a little piece of mesh to match up with our spot. So there's two settings on this. We're gonna go with the highest one. Be careful though. Try not to hold the heat gun in the same spot for too long. Once Once these are both nice and shiny, we'll switch to the soldering iron. First of all, I'm going to clean out some of that sand and debris. You gotta be real careful or you'll put a huge hole in the kayak. So this tool is very hot. And then I will mix in this plastic. You melt in this plastic onto the other plastic. Make sure they both mix nice and good. So if you don't, the patch will fall off. Apply the wire mesh. Now we're going to press the wire mesh into the kayak. Just melt a bit more plastic in there. Not quite the prettiest pack, but it's a lot stronger than it was before.